Alright, good morning, y'all. Oh, my body is still waking up, and I've been up for 2 hours now. And I've had a cup of coffee, which a cup of coffee really doesn't do much for me. I have to have like 10 cups of coffee just to get to an average level of energy. But after 20, then I'm in attack mode. I'm ready to go. Let me know. So, anyways, like I said, I finished my trade, and I won it. Let's go. Good way to start the week. So, I'm going to primarily focus on Forex trading. I've learned that if you start trading different pairs, it's going to fuck up your strategies and as well as your psychology in trading. And like that's one of the reasons why I like trading so much is because the psychology portion of trading. I've always been interested in psychology, and trading has like that aspect of psychology. Like this whole market is driven by psychology. It is driven by manipulation. There's so many factors to trading, and it's just not all about strategy. So that's why I like being part of this game, is because the psychology part of it. I learned so much about myself when I'm trading. That's why I enjoy it. I'm not in it for the money. Like, yeah, it's cool to make a lot of money off it. That's, you know, the extrinsic part of it. Intrinsically, though, I'm in it for the psychology part, discovering parts of myself that I don't know about yet, and just improving my mental state by participating in this market. Because there's a lot of complex problems that the market throws at you that you have to solve. And that's why I enjoy trading as well as the money part. But I'm not worried about the money part. I'm worried about the complex problems and discovering more about myself. Anyways, I'm yapping too much. Let's get into it. So, today I traded USD JPY, and I'm going to be trading that for a while. Before focusing on this Forex pair. I'm in a program right now. It's a 5-week program. My last day in it is June 27th. After we finish the program, we are going to be given a 100K funded account. So I need to put in a lot of practice on USD JPY, figure out its volatility, and just learn the Forex pair and not worry about doing this dumb shit, which I need to delete all these. I shouldn't be focusing on these no more. Anyways, I was looking at the 30-minute time frame. I marked out the Asian highs, Asian lows, as well as London highs and London lows. On the daily, we were bullish. On the 4 hour, we are, well, when I last looked at it, we're still bearish. On the hourly, on the hourly, I'd say we're bearish still. But I was looking at the 15-minute time frame, and there wasn't really a lot going on in the 15-minute time frame on this candle. I was just kind of going up and down, so I was like, all right, I need to back down to the 5-minute time frame and get more in depth and find the confluences that I need to enter in a trade. So I saw that we had this breaker structure right here with this candle, and I saw that we had the breaker block. I saw price slowly moving up into this breaker block, and then I was like, okay, now we're in this breaker block. Are we going to go down, or are we going to keep going up? So then I put this horizontal ray right here to signify the breaker structure, because once this candle came across it, that's when I decided to enter, because I saw that it was moving up a lot. So then I entered in right here. I put my stop loss a little bit beneath that candle, and then I put my take profit on this draw on the fair value gap right here. I could have put my take profit all the way up here, but with my bias with the market being bearish, I didn't think we're going to have that much bullish momentum. So, I mean, I'm happy with the win that I took. It's kind of disappointing to see that price is going up still, but it's fine. I'm happy with the win I had, because of my bias. We were in a bearish state, so I didn't think this bullish momentum was going to be happening long. I just thought we were going to go on this draw on the fair value gap right here and then go back down, but nope, price is going up to, it went up to London lows. I'm pretty sure it's going to hit this breaker block right up here and then probably go back down. We'll see. But that was my confluences for today was just the breaker block, the breaker structure, the fair value gap that we had to fill. This was a 30-minute fair value gap right here, which we filled it. So, yeah, that's my trade for the day, boys. Crypto, it was doing so good yesterday. It's going back down, but I'm all right with that. So as you can see, I added more tokens to my list as well as my crypto list. Looks a little bit more prettier. I organized it. I got the ratios up too. Ratios help you decide what crypto is outperforming Bitcoin and if you should LSI or DCA in. So like Ethereum, it's doing pretty well right now. So this was a token that you probably want to LSI in. Not your financial advisor, by the way. This is just my opinion. But yeah, the ratios help you out, figure out like what crypto is outperforming Bitcoin right now, and you know how should you approach it, how much money should you be putting in. But I've added link to my list, XRP, Solana, Render, and Fetch AI. I had Link a while ago, and then I sold it when it was high. But now that the market is kind of going back in that phase where it's going to start having that long-term run of just going up and up, I invested back into Link, and I bought it at a lower price, so that's good. Same thing with XRP. I sold when it was a little high, bought in back lower. I'm just now getting into Solana. Now that Ethereum got its ETFs, I really do think Solana can hit 400, 500. Render, I could see it hitting 15, 20, and then Fetch AI, I could see it hitting 7, possibly 10. We'll see. But I'm excited for this bull market. As you can see right now, it's just been pure pain these last couple of months with this consolidation, just pure pain. But I know it's going to be worth it. This is my regression line. A regression basically is, so this line in the middle is the mean. The mean is the average. As you can see, we were oversold right here, and then not oversold, oversold. Or no, overbought, my bad. Overbought, and then down here would be oversold, and then like you could do the same thing right here. Let's see. You could make the mean like right here. Say like this is the average. So then that would be overbought and then oversold down here. So there's a lot of stuff that I've learned. I've had a lot of you guys ask me to teach you what I'm doing right now. I am in no position right now to be teaching. I'm still in the process of learning. At some point, when I finally get to where I feel like I'm in a position to teach, then I will teach. I thought about it. I do want to teach, but right now I'm just not in the position to teach as I'm still learning. It's probably going to be a while till I start teaching you guys the stuff that I know. But if you just keep watching these videos, you'll learn a little bit. You'll learn a little bit of something. But yeah, that's all I have for today. So talk to you guys later.